Hi everyone. Today I will show you how we can run a piping MTO report in Aveva E3D. For that, we have to type a command here, call IBR XREPSEL modify. When you enter this command and this modify MTO report form will open. Here in Aveva E3D already all the report formats are there. You can select and run the report. Let's say I will click this one, line list, and open. After this, your first step is to give the location of your file name. For that, you have to create a folder in your C drive or D drive, anywhere. Let's say I already created my folder in C drive temp folder. First, your directory, then backward slash temp is my folder name which I already created. You can create your own folder, and after that you give the name of the report. Let's say I will give the name line list and txt. You can run the report in txt format and csv format also. We will run both. After this you have to click new because we want a new report here, and here we don't want a word, we want a selected site zone. Let's say I want to run the report of this zone here. Click on hierarchy, click add C. You can add other sites also. This one you can also add, but the report will be long. That's why I remove this one. But you can add here as per your own requirement. Then OK. And then I will apply. OK. Yes. You can see that the line list report is already open here. So this is a line list report which we run now. So this is a pipe name, pipe spec, HBOR. You see this is a pipe. This is a pipe spec. Third one is H1 bore, then T bore, then HREF and TREF. So this is a line list report. And now if you want to run a MTO report, you can run your own also. So I will delete this one and I will run my own report. So here I will give a name here. MTO pipe dash MTO, and this time I won't give CSV, not TXT. You can run both the reports. And here we want a member of the branch. I will type branch member here. This is my site. So what we will do, we will delete this one. So we want a pipe name here. Then next one is I want type. Next, and I want DTXR. Next, I want MTX. X. Then I want P1 bore. Next, P2 bore. Next, I want ITLE, length of the tube. Then I want quantity. Okay. So now I will run this one. Apply. You can see that we give the name piping MTO. I will open this one. This is a CSV file. And if you run into txt, then I will apply again. Okay. And this is a txt file. This is a txt file. So we will cancel this one here and we will do some modification. Now this pipe will be my number one. You can rearrange, and then I will go for type, and this should be number two. Then I will DTXR number three. P4 okay. Then MDX I want number four. And now we will run again the report. Apply. Okay, override. Yes. And we will open again. Now you can see that this is pipe, type, description, then this is the MTXX, then we have P1 bore. You can add P3 bore also if you want, and this is the quantity. ITLE is not showing because this is the component only. So where we will see the tubing, you will see the tube length. You can see here. So in this way, you can run the report in Aveva E3D. You can add many more things as per your own requirement. If you need a component code or your company code, you can add and you can run and modify a number of times. So this is a simple way to run a report in a Aveva 3D. You can not run this piping MTO. You can run structure, HVAC, electrical, instrument. You can run a report for valve also. Hope you understood how we can run a report in Aveva 3D.